Hello guys, in this video I will show you how you can find most traded stocks on the Capital.com app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers, I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the Capital.com trading app, then go to the search icon on the top, on the bottom. And here you can see all these categories of stocks and cryptocurrencies. Now go to the most traded section. And here you will find the most traded stocks today by ranked by the daily activity. On the right side, you can see the daily activity, the percentage of people on the app that were trading these stocks or cryptocurrencies. As you can see, the Nasdaq 100 is on the top today with 17%. Bitcoin is at 13%, Ripple 12, Ethereum 10. So on the top 5, there are 3 cryptocurrencies. On the 5th place, very interesting, is crude oil. 4th place, gold. Again, cryptos, Cardano on the 7th place. S&P 500, S&P 200 also on the list. Natural gas, metal platforming, Shiba Inu, Euro, Tesla on the 15th place, right above Dogecoin with the same similar percentage, and so on and so on. So these are the most traded stocks today. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one.